One thing that people think working in the IT industry is always working with the latest and greatest technology. So be it phones, laptops, potentially cars, fridges, air conditioners, white goods, all those kind of things. So whenever people think of a certain industry, they think of the latest and greatest. That is not always the case. Current task, for example, I'm moving one AMD Pentium M mainboard from a Toshiba. I'm moving it from that one and going to be putting it into a housing that previously had an AMD Turion processor in it. Now, the reason why, an older customer that is wanting to stick with this machine, against all professional advice to ditch this machine, they want to stick with it. After telling them the cost of the labor, they still want to stick with it. So there's not much left to do other than just do it. So both these machines are around 14 years old, and they weren't high-end machines back then. And he's also wanting to reinstall Windows 7 back on there, which that did surprise me. I thought we were going to go with Vista on this one. But anyway, against all advice, I'm still doing this job. In the end, I got paid. That doesn't matter. But I feel like he could have better spent his money on a second-hand machine that is considerably newer, considerably more powerful, considerably better battery life, considering it's a 14-year-old machine. But yeah, here I am. I guess this is the same with most other places as well, even though your particular field might be cars, any form of technology, where you hope to be using the latest and greatest, but that is certainly not the case. I'd say there's plenty of mechanics that are servicing cars from the 80s, 90s, possibly even the 70s, and yeah, they're potentially enjoying it, potentially not. In the end, as long as your time, or what you deem your time worthwhile, is getting paid for, then you should be more than happy to do these jobs. That's the case. If I wasn't charging what I was going to charge to do this, it wouldn't be worthwhile doing, considering I've definitely recycled a lot better machines than what these two are. But yeah, keep the customer happy, keep doing the job. Anyway, just a random ramble here about old technology and in the workplace. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.